that there's a bird upstairs and it's good morning. So guys, my father just told me there's a bird upstairs. And I was like, huh? Bird? And I'm gonna go get it and take care of it because it can't fly yet. It's still a baby. Like that. I don't know what he said, but he said it's like a little baby fell out of his or her nest. And he said it's a crow. A baby crow. Let's go upstairs! Okay, yes, let's go outside. Let's go up. I look bad because it's still morning. My pajamas. Upstairs! Whoa! Sorry. Wait, where is it? Where's the bird? I can't find the bird. Wait, is it there? So father said it's right. Oh my gosh, the bird's right there. Oh my gosh, look at that. Ah! What kind of bird is this? We got a lot of birds here, but it doesn't look like one. Oh look, the bird. I think. What kind of crow? Oh, never mind. Jihan! Get a basket! I gotta put him in a basket. He's hungry. Oh no, I think I'm gonna get him now. Oh, okay, there. Oh, the leg is broken. The bird! It flew! It tried to fly. Okay. Wait, go. I'm gonna let it fly for a bit. Ow! Okay, so I'm sorry that I didn't film it because I said, oh, that flew and it went to my sister's eye. Wait, I'm gonna try. Shut up! Come here. Come here, please. This is the best day ever. Let it fly. I can hear their chirp. You see that? It sounds like that chirp. Oh, there's a mirror. I'm gonna try to let it fly. I hope it just fell down because we got crazy dogs. You saw that? Now he's really scared. Oh no, he wants to go. Oh, I got the best idea ever. Let's go to my room. Let's go there. Oh, never mind. The bed is not there. But I'm scared. Here. Okay, just one more little fly and we can feed him or her. Right there. Crazy bird attacking me! Oh, thank you, Cece, for the basket. Wait, Cece brought my tiny basket. Stop moving around! Not bad. Good thing he didn't tell. Now let's go downstairs. A butterfly! See, a butterfly! The wings are broken! Oh no, it's not there anymore. It flew away. But good thing this didn't flew away. Let's go. Come on up. I think we'll use these as his cover. Yep, jackpot. Now let's get some worms. My fear. Put this thing up because if it goes away, it will stay there. Something. I don't have to touch the worm. Is he dirty? Please. Don't go away. So I'm gonna put him here. Oh, never mind. Take him out away. What's my I don't want to do this. Is that my sister? Ah! So we sell some motorcycles. Good thing I have a motorcycle here. My handy windy motorcycle. And this is my mom's garden. I think it's not garden. There's a lot of thorns. Take a look. A lot of leaves. And there's a lot of thorns. I thought it was a rose. Because rose stems are spiky. I think it's a pomelo tree, which is very healthy. And this, so okay guys, so this tree is a durian tree. Durian. Wait, what does it look like? I don't know. I've been here for many. This is a durian. Now let's go dig. Let's go dig. Here. Oh my gosh, I think there's worms. We got a lot of worms here. And dig. I hope it's not a big one. Oh. Hey, jackpot! No, ew. It's so gross. Oh! Worm. Ugh. I hate that. Ew. Sorry, but I really don't like worms. Ah! Oh my god, it fell. Oh, gross. Oh my god. Okay, guys, this is so. Ugh. Okay, let's go. I don't want to look at this anymore. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put the birdie there inside because my crazy dogs, wild dogs are here. It's much easier. Oh, this is so gross. Is this even alive? Oh no, crazy dogs attack! Oh no. Let's go. He'll save me. On my hand. Let's put it there. Okay. Now. How do we do this? It's real hungry. I'm gonna put some. Oh, there's poop. Oh my god. Come on. Just take off. Ow. Okay, there. Yeah, now, time to feed it.
Hindi ko makita.
He just ate it. Did you see that? Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, he just ate it. Not even a sack. I'm not gonna get more. I'm gonna get more. He's really hungry. This is the way. Okay. Let's take more. I think the birdie will taste it, but I think my sister's gonna want it. Why did I agree to this? Back to the worm stage. Worm stage? No. Worm house. Hey. Hi. Okay. Let's dig in. Okay, let's try finding worms. I really got tired of that one because it was so deep. Big one. I think let's go get it. Oh, this is a big one. How do we get this? There. Do you see that? It's so gross. Okay, let's go now. I think he's really hungry. The worm. Okay, let's go now. Birdie. Oh my god. Do they have two faces? Let's see if this birdie still eats. I think he's or she's. I think she's a he. Just I think. Oh no, sorry. No. I'm scared because he ate a worm. Ah! Okay, never mind. Still eat you up. Ah! Can we, like, I'm really scared. Okay, I'm gonna use this. I'm ah. Okay, there. Now we put that there. Okay, now it's time for the beak. Oh, he ate it. Do you see that? Look. Oh, he ate it. There's still more. He ate it. See that? Ew. Oh, he finished it. Oh, that's so cool. But in the meantime, it's gross a little bit. I don't know what's happening. Is he gonna throw up? This bird is amazing. I think this is gonna survive. Mostly when we got birds, it dies. Woo! So this is the first day of my bird. This is gonna be a long day because I'm not gonna. So in the morning, I'm gonna feed him worms, 2 worms, and at afternoon he's gonna eat rice. Oh, there's still worm. Do you see that? I think. Yeah. In the morning, I give him worms, 2 worms, and at the afternoon, I give him a little bit wet rice, and at the afternoon, I give him another worm and a rice. And yeah. Okay guys, so I think this is the end of the video. So I was thinking I'm gonna convince my sister to do live with my bird. Who ate worms. So I think this is the end of the video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for your lovely comments. Bye.